Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Sport. So from any screen, you've got phone here and you've got home and menu there. If we go into phone, you'll see Barry's iPhone there. It's all the phones that are connected or can be connected to the system. My phone there, delete Barry's iPhone, yes. I'm also going to delete John's, otherwise if I don't, while I'm doing this demonstration, John sat in the office over there, his phone will connect and we'll hear his conversation. So delete his phone as well. Delete, yes. That's it done.